single arm RDL with band. So start off holding a weight and then get a band up around the wrist and get back to a point where you have to pull against the band. About here should be good for me. Now what I want you to do is stick the butt back and hinge down. As you do that, slide the weight along the front of your leg, like so. Really fight with this arm to keep that weight sliding along the front of your leg, pulling back against that band. I'll show you what it looks like more so from the side.